In a far-off land called Africa, beberapa waktu yang lalu di negeri yang jauh bernama Afrika, where the sun is very hot by day and the moon very bright by night, di mana matahari sangat panas di siang hari dan bulan sangat terang di malam hari, there lived a baby elephant. Hiduplah seorang bayi gajah. He didn't know much about the forest in which he lived, but he loved it. Dia tidak tahu banyak tentang hutan tempat dia tinggal, tetapi dia menyukainya. He followed his mother about and she pushed through the thickets and trampled down the bushes so that he could get through. Dia mengikuti ibunya dan dia mendorong melalui semak-semak dan menginjak-injak semak-semak itu sehingga dia bisa melewatinya. She lifted her trunk and tore at the branches of the trees. Dia mengangkat belalainya dan merobek cabang-cabang pohon. Then the sunlight poured through and dapped the earth. Kemudian sinar matahari menerobos masuk dan menutupi bumi. As he grew bigger, Baby Jumbo sometimes wandered away. Seiring bertambahnya usia, Baby Jumbo terkadang berkeliaran. He came to an open space one day and began to cross it. Dia datang ke ruang terbuka suatu hari dan mulai melintasinya. Where are you off to? Grunted his mother. Mau kemana? Gerutu ibunya. Coming after him. Dan mengejarnya. He still tickled as she curled her trunk round it to guide him back home. Ekornya menggelitik saat dia melingkar belalainya untuk membimbing anaknya kembali ke rumah. I want to see everything, he grumbled. Aku ingin melihat semuanya, gerutu Baby Jumbo. Not by yourself, she scolded. Jangan sendiri, tegurnya. You are not old enough. Kamu belum cukup umur. Suppose you got lost and I couldn't find you? Misalkan kamu tersesat dan aku tidak bisa menemukanmu. So each day he joined the other little calf in the herd. Jadi setiap hari dia bergabung dengan anak gajah kecil lainnya dalam kawanannya. And they splash about in the mud pools. Dan mereka menjeburkan diri ke dalam kolam lumpur. And roll together in the dust patches. Dan berguling bersama di tambalan tebu. But sometimes, tapi kadang-kadang, they would see the cow's elephant and the bull elephant standing all around. Mereka melihat gajah jenis sapi dan gajah jantan yang berdiri di sekelilingnya, with their great head and fierce tusks facing outward into the forest. Dengan kepala besar dan gading yang ganas menghadap keluar ke dalam hutan. Then they will stop their play and stand listening. Kemudian mereka berhenti bermain dan mereka berdiri mendengarkan. Listening for they knew that this meant danger. Mendengarkan karena mereka tahu bahwa ini berarti bahaya. Each afternoon, setiap sore, when the sun was setting, saat matahari terbenam, they all went to drink from the river. Mereka semua pergi minum dari sungai. Baby Jumbo filled his trunk and squirted the lovely cold water into his throat and swallowed it. Baby Jumbo mengisi belalainya dan menyemprotkan air dingin yang segar ke tenggorokannya dan menelannya. Sometimes, terkadang, as the daylight faded, saat siang hari memudar, grown-up elephants swam across the river. Gajah dewasa berenang menyeberangi sungai. There they were, linking their trunk around the tails of the one in front and swimming in a single file. Dan mereka biasanya menghubungkan belalai-belalai mereka dan ekor mereka dan berenang bersama. One day his mother said, suatu hari kata ibunya, we will go when you're bigger. Kita akan pergi kalau kamu sudah besar. One day at sundown they did go. Suatu hari saat matahari terbenam mereka pergi. What an adventure that was. Petualangan yang luar biasa. He and the other calf waited on the bank. Dia dan anak gajah lainnya menunggu di tepi sungai. With the grown-ups elephant, bersama gajah-gajah dewasa. Then one of the big ones at the front held up his trunk. Kemudian salah satu gajah besar di depannya mengangkat belalainya. Swaying in the air, mengayunkan belalainya di udara. Sniffing the wind and listening, mengendus angin dan mendengarkannya. Then he led the way. Lalu dia memimpin jalan. That is how they went across with the big ones, protecting the little ones. Begitulah cara mereka menyeberang, dengan yang besar melindungi yang kecil. Oh, the water was so strong. Oh, airnya sangat kuat. It pushed and it pushed against him and swirled around his leg. Air yang keras itu mendorong dan mendorongnya ke arahnya dan berputar di sekitar kakinya. And then rushed on its way to join the great Zambezi River. Kemudian bergegas menuju sungai Zambezi yang besar. It was a wonderful place on the other side. Tempat itu sangatlah indah di sisi yang lain. All through the hours of night they ate. Sepanjang malam mereka makan, sniffing their way to the juiciest plants and tasting the young leaf. Mengendus-ngendus tanaman yang paling segar dan mencicipi daun yang lebih muda. Fresh and tender, segar dan lembut. The big elephant tore at the trees. Gajah-gajah besar mencapik-capik pepohonan. Curling the trunk round the branches and pulling them away. Melekukan belalainya ke batang yang besar lalu mencabutnya. But before dawn, tetapi sebelum fajar, back to the river they went. Mereka kembali ke sungai. Every elephant obeyed the leader. Setiap gajah mematuhi pimpinannya. He stood at the riverside. Dia berdiri di tepi sungai, sniffing the wind again, mengendus angin lagi. Then they all swam over. Kemudian mereka semua berenang menyeberangi sungai. Baby Jumbo tried to sniff the wind. Baby Jumbo mencoba mengendus angin. But when it swayed the treetops and rustled through the leaves, he liked listening to it too. Tetapi ketika dia bergoyang di puncak pohon dan bergerimik di antara daunan, dia juga suka mendengarnya. Sometimes he heard another sound and it puzzled him. Terkadang dia mendengar suara lain dan membuatnya bingung. It came always from the road they had to cross when returning from the river. Itu selalu datang dari jalan yang harus mereka seberangi ketika kembali dari sungai. He knew it was coming before he actually heard it because his mother would stop and listen. Dia tahu suara itu akan datang sebelum dia benar-benar mendengarnya karena ibunya akan berhenti dan mendengarkannya. He used to creep near the shelter under her huge body and would find her legs stiff and tense. Dia biasanya merayap dekat untuk berlindung di bawah tubuh besarnya dan akan menemukan kakinya kaku dan tegang. What was this strange noise? Suara aneh apa ini? It will come nearer and nearer. Suara itu datang lebih dekat dan lebih dekat lagi. Then when it seemed so close that it must burst in upon them. Ketika suara itu nampak begitu dekat sehingga harus menerobos masuk ke atas mereka. It would gradually grow quieter and quieter until it faded away. Secara bertahap suara itu menjadi semakin sunyi dan semakin sunyi sampai menghilang. Then Mother Elephant will turn her great head. Kemudian ibu gajah akan menolehkan kepalanya yang besar. Look down at him, memandanginya, and walk on as if nothing had happened. Dan berjalan terus seolah-olah tidak terjadi apa-apa. But he was always very curious. Tetapi dia selalu penasaran. Then one day something did happen. Kemudian suatu hari sesuatu memang terjadi. They were by the river. Mereka berada di tepi sungai. The sun was low in the sky, but Baby Jumbo could still see the play and splash in the water, and he didn't want to leave it. Matahari sudah rendah di langit, tetapi Baby Jumbo masih bisa melihat untuk bermain dan bermain air dan tidak ingin meninggalkannya. The sunlight is fading, said Mother Elephant. Sinar matahari sudah mulai tenggelam, kata ibu gajah. Come on, time to go. Ayo, waktunya untuk pergi. She led the way. Dia memimpin jalan. But he sulked and dragged his feet and went slower and slower. Tetapi dia marah dan menyeret kakinya, berjalan semakin lambat dan lambat. She had crossed the wide roadway before he reached it. Dia telah menyeberang jalan yang lebar sebelum Baby Jumbo menyapainya. Then he heard the string noise and he saw a beam of yellow light in the distance. Kemudian dia mendengar suara aneh dan dia melihat sinar cahaya kuning dari kejauhan. Is the sunshine coming back? Sinar mataharinya kembali, he cried happily, serunya gembira. Now I can go and splash in the water again. Sekarang aku bisa pergi main dan bermain air lagi. But it wasn't the sunshine. Tetapi itu bukan sinar matahari. It was the light from the headlamp of a car coming towards him. Sinar itu adalah cahaya dari lampu depan mobil yang datang ke arahnya. It lit up the trunk of the trees and swept over the treetops. Cahaya itu menerangi batang-batang pohon dan menyapu puncak-puncak pohon. And suddenly the car stopped and the light glared all over Baby Jumbo as he stood watching. Namun tiba-tiba mobil itu berhenti dan cahaya menyilaukan ke seluruh badan Baby Jumbo saat dia berdiri mengawasi. Oh, this wasn't the lovely golden sun like I know. Oh, ini bukan sinar matahari keemasan yang aku kenal. It hurt his eyes and he blinked to make them better. Sinar itu menyakiti matanya dan dia berkedip dan berkedip lagi untuk membuatnya lebih baik. He backed away and tumbled over. Dia berjalan mundur dan jatuh. Then he scrambled to his feet again and rushed about to find his mother. Kemudian dia bangkit lagi, bergegas mencari ibunya. But he couldn't see properly. Tetapi dia tidak bisa melihat dengan benar. At last he found himself in the twilight of the forest again. Akhirnya dia menemukan dirinya di senja hutan lagi. He peeped about. Dia mengintip. The car was still in the roadway. Mobil itu masih berada di jalan raya. Suddenly he saw Mother Elephant on the other side. Tiba-tiba dia melihat ibu gajah di seberang jalan. He whimpered and whimpered to call her, but she was moving toward the car. Dia merintih dan merintih untuk memanggilnya, tetapi dia bergerak menuju mobil. She lifted her trunk and trumpeted at it. Dia mengangkat belalainya dan meneriakkannya. Her huge ears were lifted high and were shaking with rage. Telinganya yang besar terangkat tinggi dan bergetar karena amarahnya. And she stamped and stamped the earth. Dan dia menginjak-injak bumi. The car began to move slowly at first. Mobil mulai bergerak perlahan-lahan. The faster and faster it went away. Kemudian semakin cepat dan semakin cepat mobil itu pergi. Until the sun faded and the fierce light from the headlamp could be seen no more. Sampai suaranya memudar dan cahaya lampu depan yang ganas tidak terlihat lagi. Then his mother came to him. Kemudian ibu gajah datang kepada Baby Jumbo. She scolded and he hung his head. Dia memarahi Baby Jumbo dan memarahinya lagi, dan dia menundukkan kepalanya. But she cares him. Tapi dia membelainya juga. And her great trunk gently stroked his ear and smoothed his body until his leg had stopped shaking. Dan belalainya yang besar dan lembut membelai telinganya yang besar dan menghaluskan tubuhnya sampai kakinya berhenti bergetar. They stood together, listening and listening. Mereka berdiri bersama-sama, mendengarkan dan mendengarkan. When they could hear only the sound of the forest, ketika mereka hanya bisa mendengar suara hutan, she led him all the way home. Dia menuntunnya pulang. Thanks for listening, you guys. I'll see you in the next book.